Kinkeriki! Yo! I can't wait with you guys! Hey! This is a 3D debut! Hand! Oh my god, hand reveal. I'm wearing gloves because of reasons. And don't worry, today, nothing will go wrong. Everything will go right. That's a good chunk of sexy cornflakes. I should probably not bonk it too hard. But we're gonna be bonking a lot now. Okay, cornflakes. I have this thing here. I'm gonna try my best to... I mean, in the video they bonked it, but I'm scared that something will drop, that the camera will drop. So I'll try to just massage it nicely. Oh, that actually works. You hear that? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, massage time! Oh, that's how you know that your bones are cracking nicely when you hear that sound. Oh, oh yeah! I wonder how small it should be. Yeah, the camera is wiggling a little bit, but don't worry, it's attached very nicely. Are you guys scared? I'm a bit nervous here. Oh my god, I'm a bit scared that something will happen. This is such a thrilling stream. Oh my god. Especially the first time when you do stuff like this. But if this goes well, then we might do it more often. Oh, I have received the chocolate.